Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI video editor platform, which is FlexClip. Just to get started, in 2025, FlexClip started out as one of the most beginner-friendly online video editors, offering drag-and-drop simplicity, AI tools like auto subtitle and text-to-videos, and a large template library. It is web-based, meaning no software install is needed, and is ideal for creating short-form content, promotional videos, or educational clip with built-in stock media or screen recording and basic timeline editing. It's a great all-in-one tools for creators who want to produce content fast without technical skills. However, FlexClip has its limit. It lacks multi-track editing, advanced motion graphics, and a precise audio control. Features pro editors might miss. And the free plan includes a watermark and a 480 pixel export, while IR Revolution requires a paid upgrade. And here's the valid conclusion: the FlexClip is perfect for beginners and marketers needing a quick AI enhanced videos, but not ideal for enhanced video production workflow. And that's it. Hope you find the video a little more helpful and informative. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.